How to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. So if you want to withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit, then what you need to do is first you need to simply open up your Bybit application. Once you open up your Bybit, now you need to go with the assets option, which is on the bottom right. It will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go with deposit option and tap on deposit crypto, which is on the bottom. And after that, you need to select USDT. And after that, you need to choose the chain type. So simply choose TRC20, go with OK. And here you will get the deposit address. So you just need to simply copy the deposit address. Once you've copied the deposit address from here, you need to go back and open up your Binance application. And once you open up your Binance, you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that wallets option. Tap on wallets and you will have an option of withdraw right here. So you just need to simply tap on withdraw and make sure that you have some balance. Because if you don't have the balance, then you won't be able to proceed. So if you have some balance, then you just need to simply go with withdraw and you'll be able to search. So under the search, you need to search for USDT. And once you search, you need to simply paste the deposit address and then enter the network, which is Toncoin, and you need to enter the withdrawal amount and then tap on withdraw, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and you'll be able to withdraw. So that's how you can withdraw USDT from Binance to Bybit. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.